GenerLink transfer switches are devices used to connect a generator to a home's electrical system. These switches are listed with Underwriters Laboratories, also known as UL, which signifies that the product has been tested and meets specific safety standards. UL is a globally recognized safety organization that evaluates products for potential hazards, ensuring they comply with established safety requirements. A UL listing is a good indicator of a product's safety and reliability. The price of GenerLink transfer switches can be high compared to some other similar products available. This price difference may be attributed to the use of high-quality materials, enhanced durability, and the UL listing itself. Deciding whether the higher cost is justified depends on individual needs and priorities. For those seeking a high-quality, UL-listed transfer switch, GenerLink might be a suitable option, even with the increased price point. Several features characterize GenerLink transfer switches. Firstly, they are constructed using high-quality materials, which contributes to their durability and longevity. Secondly, the switches are designed to be durable and long-lasting, capable of withstanding regular use and environmental factors. Thirdly, ease of installation and use is a key design consideration, making the switches user-friendly for homeowners or qualified installers. Fourthly, a warranty is typically included, providing assurance against defects and malfunctions. Considering these features alongside the UL listing can help determine the overall value and suitability of GenerLink transfer switches. When evaluating transfer switches, several factors beyond the UL listing and initial cost should be taken into account. Firstly, assess your power needs. Calculate the total wattage of the appliances and devices you want to run during a power outage. This will determine the required capacity of the transfer switch in the generator. Secondly, consider the installation process. While GenerLink advertises easy installation, it's crucial to ensure that you or a qualified electrician can properly install the switch according to local electrical codes and regulations. Improper installation can be dangerous and void the warranty. Thirdly, examine the warranty terms and conditions. Understand the duration of the warranty, what it covers, and the process for making a claim. A comprehensive warranty provides peace of mind and protection against potential issues. Fourthly, research customer reviews and ratings. Look for feedback from other users regarding their experiences with GenerLink transfer switches. This can provide valuable insights into the product's performance, reliability, and customer support. Fifthly, check compatibility with your existing electrical system. Ensure that the transfer switch is compatible with your home's electrical panel and wiring configuration. Consult with an electrician if you have any doubts about compatibility. Sixthly, consider future power needs. Anticipate any potential increases in your power consumption in the future. Choose a transfer switch with sufficient capacity to accommodate these future needs. Seventhly, compare prices from different retailers. Shop around and compare prices from various retailers to ensure you are getting the best possible deal. Also, factor in any additional costs such as installation fees or shipping charges. Eighthly, inquire about available accessories. Check if GenerLink offers any accessories such as power cords, generator connectors, or surge protectors that can enhance the functionality and safety of the transfer switch. Ninthly, review the product specifications carefully. Pay close attention to the voltage, amperage, and wattage ratings of the transfer switch to ensure they match your generator and home's electrical system. Tenthly, understand local electrical codes and regulations. Familiarize yourself with the local electrical codes and regulations regarding generator installations and transfer switches. Ensure that your installation complies with all applicable requirements. 11thly, consider automatic vs. manual transfer switches. GenerLink may offer both automatic and manual transfer switch options. Automatic transfer switches automatically switch to generator power when a power outage occurs, while manual transfer switches require manual operation. Choose the type that best suits your needs and preferences. 12thly, evaluate the noise level of your generator. Consider the noise level of the generator you plan to use with the transfer switch. Some generators can be quite noisy, which may be a concern for you and your neighbors. 13thly, assess the fuel source for your generator. Determine the fuel source for your generator, such as gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Ensure that you have a reliable supply of fuel available during power outages. 14thly, think about surge protection. Consider adding surge protection to your electrical system to protect your appliances and devices from voltage spikes and surges. 15thly, investigate maintenance requirements. Understand the maintenance requirements for both the transfer switch and the generator. Regular maintenance can help ensure optimal performance and longevity. 16thly, explore smart home integration. Some transfer switches can be integrated with smart home systems, allowing you to monitor and control your generator remotely. 17thly, think about long-term cost savings. While GenerLink may have a higher initial cost, it could potentially save you money in the long run by preventing damage to your appliances and devices during power outages. 18thly, investigate any available rebates or incentives. Check if there are any rebates or incentives available from your local utility company or government agencies for purchasing a UL-listed transfer switch. 19thly, consider the environmental impact. Think about the environmental impact of using a generator. Choose a generator that is energy efficient and produces minimal emissions. 20thly, evaluate the safety features of the transfer switch. Ensure that the transfer switch has adequate safety features, such as overload protection and ground fault protection. These features can help prevent electrical hazards and protect your home and family. By considering these factors, you can make a more informed decision about whether a GenerLink transfer switch is the right choice for your home.